Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a very delicious and mouth-watering recipe, porridge yam. So to begin, you want to go ahead and peel the yams. So for this recipe, I'm using 2 tubers of yams. So you're gonna peel it. After peeling the yams, you want to go ahead and wash it. So after washing, pour it in a pot, add a little bit of water, add some salt, and you transfer the yam to the stove and you just let it boil until it is soft. Okay, you know the yam is soft and it's ready when the fork can easily go through it. Okay, so just like so. So that's how you know the yam is ready. So what I would do now is to take the yam out, sieve it out, and set the yam aside. So I'm going to make the gravy for the sauce now. Okay, so to make the gravy, I'm going to go into a clean pot with some palm oil. I'm going to let it heat up and add some onion. That's 1 onion. I'll let the onion saute for like 1 minute. And then I'll go in with some seasoning, some prawns, pre-cooked beef, pre-cooked goat meat, dry fish, smoked fish, I'm going to stir everything together, stir the proteins together so the oil will get everywhere on the protein. So I'm going to add some grinded prawns, add some scent leaves, give it a good stir. Add some pepper, cover, let it cook. So after about 5 minutes, you can go ahead and stir the pot again, so that way your proteins doesn't burn under the pot. So at this point, once you know your proteins are ready, so I'm going to take out some of the gravy. I'm going to reintroduce the gravy back into the pot when I'm ready. So I'm going to go ahead and add the already cooked yam into the pot. Then I will mix everything thoroughly. I will give this a very good mix just to get the gravy all over the yam. You just want it covered with that red palm oil. So at this point, you want to go ahead and cover the pot and let it cook for like a minute. 1 minute later, you're going to add the gravy that you took out, add all the fish back in it. Then you're going to give everything one good stir. Add some water. This is optional, you don't have to, but I like the porridge loose. For 2 minutes.